G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Empress Sailing. We are her crew, Michelle, Katran, Fleur and Anouk. Join us as we continue our journey to get to know and fall in love with our new Contest 36 named Empress. Be part of our adventure. We hope you enjoy our videos. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, comment, and don't forget to leave a like. Love it. Cheers.
You going swimming?
Yeah, we're gonna go check out the pool again.
Going to the pool. There we go. No, that's not enough. Oh yeah. Maybe you're right. Oh, well done.
So we just left Foo Marina, bye Vigo, and we're gonna go to the start of the Ria to catch up with our buddies, the doggies, for the night. Maybe tomorrow go and do Keys Island, and then we'll hang out with them for about a week until we go further down the Portuguese coast. So yeah, just gonna float down the Ria now. Over there is Keys Island, and we're here's the point, and we're going to Anseada de Barra. Go anchor there tonight, and then tomorrow we're gonna go explore Keys Island. This is what it looks like on the map.
Yeah, I can see it.
Bigger fish underneath.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I don't want to go there. Swinging with the boat, rolling with the boat is more scary. Who's that? Anouk? Who's that? Hey?
Michael. Yeah, go in between us and them, yeah. Ah. Hello. Oh. Hi. Hello. Hi, Max. Hello. Ah, hi, Poison. Nick.
Well, there is a bit sideways. I can't be helped. It's negligible, I think.
Yeah.
Along across Biscay, I died at 14 knots.
Yeah, the night
So
was we had really good sailing during
Yeah,
the night.
and
It was
we just
so good.
wing on wing. Put the pole out.
Yeah.
And it's total 6.5, 7,
Yeah.
6.5 knots.
But yesterday we only had
He's
I think
obsessed
8
with all
knots
the hair.
coming from, I don't know what's called in English, but B. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Bye.
So we're on the way from Anseada de Barra to Moana. We're gonna stick in the marina for a few days together with the doggies. Yeah, happy days. Little motor, hour and a half. Moana Marina. That's where we go. Beautiful here. Nice little town.
Oh yeah, that's bonito. Yeah, I used to have it from the body shop. Oh, like that. Oh. Now what? Oh, it's okay. Aha, yes, to the face. Yeah. So,
I don't know. I haven't walked across this bed, but I am very proud. And I might just do the
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So we are still in Moana
Yeah.
and we're heading to Baiona today. So we're leaving with the doggies. There's the doggies. Leaving Moana today, heading off somewhere in the vicinity of Baiona. We're ready to go. It's been lovely here. Really cute little marina. Everything clean and friendly. Yeah, let's go.
And off we go again. Bye bye Moana, and on our way to Baiona. And the doggies are behind us.
So you got a new doodad.
Yeah, so in the few days we spent in Moana waiting for better weather. But less waves actually, the weather was pretty good. We installed a new extra autopilot controller, so I can now also control the autopilot from the helm. I tend to sit a lot here on the back, which I didn't think we would, so it's nice to be able to not having to use the gills anymore for the autopilot distance control, but do it myself.
It's very nice. Always nice to be able to phone a friend.
Yes. Yeah, it looks a bit sketchy through there, so
Yeah.
Jet decided to go around
The small island is it?
yeah, if you get through there, you get to Baiona. There.
Oh right.
Really big stuff coming.
Yeah.
It's very shallow there, it's about 5 meters.
Oh,
Here it's like 50
okay.
meters. So.
Just not throwing up. Now we just need to get some fuel. Where could that be? Baiona?
So we just fill it with diesel, and now it's time to go to Anchorage. We will anchor for one night, and then tomorrow we'll keep going to Portugal.
Seems the 5th time to charm. Yeah, how's it feel? How's it feel? Alright. Yep. Huh? 4.5 meters? More? Okay. Yeah. Well, that was a slight nightmare.
Yeah, that's fluffle. First time I had this much trouble getting the anchor in. Anyway,
How do you feel now?
tired. Thirsty.
Oh,
Anyway,
we did
done
it. You did it. Well done, Captain. Oh.
just not so good. Enough to make out. Oh, not bad.
It's a bit Wow, it looks so cool. So massive.